It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna leave.
Woody.
It's 11 p.m. Did you just get in? I've been worried sick about you.
Why?
Because I care about you. Where were you?
Lake.
Excuse me, what?
Lake.
You went to the lake by yourself at night?
Yes.
Penny, that's so dangerous. Do not sneak out at night without my permission again. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Did you just spit at me?
Hey, Ma!
What, Penny?
Out.
Wait, you want to come outside?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Please.
Okay, if you're feeling brave, we can try.
Now?
Yeah, right now.
Great.
Alrighty, are you ready?
Uh-huh. Ready?
Come on out. It's beautiful outside.
No. Look, Lily. I'm outside. Never mind. Just kidding.
Yep.
Alright people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no?
Here comes the boy. Hello.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
Barry, can you wake up?